You take this off.
Hello.
The red piece here. That's positive.
Which
red,
is...
Red is plus.
Where
Black
is red?
Minus.
We're gonna make a baby.
Good morning, Philippines!
And look at the one. Look at the camera. You can't even see. Roxy doesn't eat. Hubs eat and then throw up. What kind of picture is this? We feed Roxy and then doesn't eat the food. Only eat the turkey. And Hubs, I give you food and then you throw up. So, forget it. The two of you, you won't drink coffee, you won't eat rice, I won't give you egg. So, what is the problem here? Okay, you can stare at me all you want. I don't have nothing for you. You two of you are so spoiled. I don't have bread, little boy. I don't eat bread anymore. Say bye-bye na to the camera. Yun sila guys kapag, ito talagang dalawa palaging nakatingin kapag kumakain. Go finish your dinner. Where is your dindin? Where is it? Who ate the dindin? Who did? No one eat the dindin. Okay, you don't eat your dindin. Kumakain lang kami ng breakfast. Tignan nyo to. Hi! Say good morning! Good morning! Baby! Say good morning, Lalang! Lalang! Han! Say good morning!
Morning, guys. I don't know what you're doing. You're looking at the dog. I think you're talking to the dog.
Guys, kumakain ako ng egg at konting rice. Good morning, everything! Maganda yung araw ngayon. I'm going to plant. Alam nyo guys, yung lettuce, the lettuce is growing already hand quick. So I have to replant it when it's grow kind of like big enough. But, so yun, the lettuce is already start sprouting. I saw it the other day. And, yung yung scallion, hindi pa. Yung scallion is very easy guys. Very tiny and then they will sprout really tiny. And then they will grow. And then like that. And today we're going to get some battery. So yun, alis kami guys. So samahan nyo kami mamaya ha. So ito yung morning ko. Nandito pa sila guys, naghihintay. Oh my god, Hubs, honey is closing his eyes, han. That means he's begging really badly. Yung ama, spoiled little boy, like tingnan nyo. Alam ni Hubs yan. Pupunta yan doon. Look. Tatakbo yan doon. Look. Yun sila. Hindi nito susunod. Look. Kasi andun si Tammy sa office. That's a butt, little boy.
Wait till I squeeze it, please. I can't see.
Oh my god, he's so hungry, honey. Oh my god, he's so hungry. And Roxy wants some too, one. Oh, Roxy wants some too. Look at
If you
it.
eat your dindin, I will give you something special.
Go eat your dindin, Rox.
So just tell her that she goes down. You're gonna bite my finger off. I could see. Tell. You're like so crazy for trying to get this out of here.
Oh my god, he's in heaven. He's in heaven. Hi guys. So punta tayo sa taas, itaod lang natin ito, itahi. Kasi yung itong pajama ni Bianan kasi madaling natanggal yung mga batunis, oh. So isauli natin, and also maghanap din ako ng mga papel kasi yung kapatid ni Tami, tinitext ako sobrang aga. Naghanap siya ng ano, yung airbed na wala ng hangin. Naghanap siya ng mga papel na dapat i-ano, mga sulat ni biyanan. Yan. Importante para sa lawyer. So, kailangan ko lang ito. Wala ng hangin, oh. Hopefully, hindi ko tinapon. Kasi alam niyo naman ako mahilig magtakpon. Oops, dito siya, guys. Look. So, hanap tayo ng tanod puti. May partner ito, guys. Hindi ko sinuot kasi lawlaw. Lawlaw pa more. Puti ba siya? Ay, hindi man din makikita. So, okay na. So, anyway, guys. Hubad muna tayo. So, yan. So, close na siya. Hindi na tayo magkabalaka-balaka pa na magkabalaka-balaka na ano. Sige, hanap tayo ng papeles para ipasa sa abogado. Hi, guys! It's 1 o'clock na. Tommy is still not ready. Mainit siya, pero maginaw sa labas. Mainit kasi may araw. Kapag tinitingnan mo sa labas, may araw, mainit. Pero pag lalabas ka, maginaw. I see the light starting already. Nag-start na siya. Oh, ito po yung ginawa ko, guys. Look.
I got nothing for you.
Nilagay ko siya, hinang ko siya dyan. Saka may isa doon.
I got nothing for you. Nothing. Sniff away.
Transfer natin yan bukas. Can you just be nice to your wife? Okay, the car is not gonna turn on.
If you try.
Let me try it. Okay, sabi ko sa kanya, hindi mag-on itong sasakyan. Sabi pa niya, i-try daw natin. So, I told him.
Pop your hood and put this over there.
Hindi ko talaga. I don't really know how to pop whatever here.
Under there.
I know it's somewhere here. Huh?
Under there you pull. And you got the open hood.
Yeah.
You gotta stick your fingers in here.
Yeah. Oh my god, I
And you
have to
got-
stick?
You got a lever here. Push it and then lift.
And what
And you
gonna
want to jump start the battery? You take this off.
Ala.
The red piece here. That's positive.
Which
red,
is,
red is plus.
Where
Black
is red?
minus. Red.
and then, where's the other color?
Black.
Why this one there's no cover?
There's no cover. Only positive has to be covered.
Why?
Because that's the hot one.
Oh shit, really? And be careful, Adam.
Negative. Everything on the car, all the metal on the car is black. Like this will be negative, same as that.
This is not black, this is silver. Okay, so that's the battery. This is the battery.
That's the battery.
Okay.
I'll get in here. Okay.
Okay.
Now somewhere on here. Should tell you how much percentage it is, but okay. Now I'll take the red. Put the red.
Oh my god.
I'll take the black.
Do I have to turn the car on?
Put the black.
Hello?
Says you got 11.9 volts.
Huh?
Now start the car.
Hello. You do it, hon? I'm afraid.
Afraid to turn
Oh no, I'll do it. Turn the whole thing like normal turn on?
Normal turn.
You don't close the thing. The red thing. No, close it. I want you to close it. My god. Okay, where is the... What's your finger on? There is a running shit there. What? Oh god.
Should just bring my freaking tools and put the damn battery in.
Why? So we're gonna bring the You're not gonna put the... Can you close the car? Oh, the thing.
What do you got there with mine? Exactly.
This wallet here.
The wallet is mine?
Yeah.
Really? When did I have a pink wallet?
Hi guys. So ngayon guys, hindi kami Tommy said there's no they have battery here, pero ano siya? $200. How much is supposedly, hun?
150. This is 200, and it's only 2-year warranty. Let's see.
So we're gonna look for a place now to buy a battery because expensive daw. Ay, mahal daw sabi niya. And then 2-year warranty. And then did you always get a 5-year warranty?
Yeah.
Always? Maybe it's changed now, hon. It's been a while.
I don't care.
Ito po yung binili ko, guys. Ito siya. May mga container din dito sa loob. Hala, nilagay niyo yung dilat-lat. Ito. Hindi sa loob. So yun. And naghintay ako kay Tommy kasi andun siya sa loob pa eh. Ang tagal, sabi ko. Wala kasing yung sasakyan na pala. So yun. Tagal ginamit. Okay.
What, you didn't see these either? Ordered food?
Food to eat? I've been looking for this, guys. Sabi ko kay Tommy siya yung bumili. Nakita niya. Dito na siya. Make sure that it's standing, okay?
We tough to keep it standing. Try.
Okay, can you drive and then I will...
What, you can hold them?
Yeah, I put it close to me. Tapos na tayo dito and then Tommy finally found... I've been walking in the same spot where you get that. I look. I don't see any orchid big name. All I see is organic and micro.
Looking for a picture, guys. Didn't have a picture. It didn't count.
So he found it, and then this guy, right, and this guy is in the middle. So guys, I got tulips. I got lily in the
leaves
valley.
or what? What kind of leaves?
Tulips.
I got 2 leaves. I got tulips. I got tulips too.
Tulips. Your hand is dirty, love.
I got 2 lips, guys. 2 lips, 10 fingers, 1 nose, 2 eyes.
Hello, guys, he has 8 fingers. Ano you said you have 10? You have 8.
My thumbs count.
How much is Subaru Legacy 2017 battery cost?
Well, it depends where you get it. Here it was 150.
150, and how many years warranty?
5.
Okay, 5 years. It's not like...
Well, Napa was 170, but it's a 7-year warranty.
Told you that diet you cannot eat. Yes, you can eat. You can eat and you gain. Alahan po. Okay, can we just drive? Or can we just sit here for a while?
Okay.
Hmm?
Not anything.
Hmm?
Not anything.
Tommy said, do you want ice cream? And I said, yeah, why not? I lost 1 pound. I will gain 2 pounds.
Okay, he'll find it.
You have to find the 1 pound. It's right here. Whatever, guys. Enjoy life. Right? I'm still diet. Slow down too. Slow down. Oh my god, it's traffic here. Nam nam. There is a smaller version of this. I don't know why you get this. This big.
Oh, that's medium.
Your kids just talking.
Yeah, have them, but
You don't have it here?
look at my toolbox.
Where is it?
Inside.
Hello. She took too much. Where is Rocky, Misty? Galing sa isang bahay, pinadala dito sa kapatid sa bahay. So ngayon, tignan natin kung alin yung basura. Kasi because I know it's garbage. No way. I have a lot already upstairs brand new. Why I have to collect old shit for whoever used this?
You just did. I took a bracket. Okay. I loosened these.
Hold on, hold on.
Loosen this.
Wait, which bracket that you
Take
took?
this off. This bracket. Loosen this one.
And that's garbage?
This bracket.
Yeah.
That holds the battery down.
Oh.
So it doesn't bounce, crack.
Roxy!
Take the sleeve off of there.
Oh, there is a sleeve?
Yeah.
Can I put those things in here?
What?
The leaves?
The blower, you want to blow it? Acid in there?
Acid?
You got the old blower?
And where is the lock? That's to hold the to hold the thing? The whole
The
thing?
bracket to hold the battery to the car.
And that shelves is like to protect?
What do you mean?
Is
sleeve?
it this model, honey?
Yes.
What number you say? RC100? CCA?
What? Okay. Then there's the other brush, cleaning these.
And do you need to get rid of
See
this
that
cup?
brush? Yes.
It's a cup.
Yeah.
What if people doesn't take it up?
You can't really, it won't go nowhere, you have plastic there.
That's garbage now.
No, it has to go back to them.
Why?
Because there's a core charge.
Oh, it go back to them? How do they know that you...
Well, they're supposed to charge me and then give me a refund when I bring back, but he didn't charge me.
So, when you buy a battery, what would you say to them? Ayo, palit ko battery. Ganon? Like, I buy battery for this model, this car, this year.
Yeah, that's why you make sure you get the right one. Okay, you're done.
You sure?
I don't know, start it up.
No, I'm afraid. Hala. Why is that doesn't close? You have something in here. Seriously,
You
Han.
shouldn't have nothing there.
So why it doesn't close?
Oh, maybe I didn't slam it hard enough.
What? What is this cellophane here?
Nothing, I didn't leave nothing here.
Holy cow. So ngayon, bago tayo mag-start, magtanim sana ako sa labas. Bukas na sabi ko, bukas na lang tayo magtanim. So ngayon, tinitignan ko, itong kapatid ni Tami, yung nag-text siya sa akin, may ipadadala siya mga nindot ng mga gamit na stuff. Alam ko na she's being sarcastic. Alam ko mga junk yung ipadala niya kasi itong isa, masunahin. So ngayon, isa-isahin natin. What the heck is this? Mga gamit nila noong mga bata pa sila, yung mga sa bed, bedsheets, cover, pillow. My God, bakit gamitin ko yan? Ginoo ko rin. We have a new pillows like we don't use. Okay, there. This one I will keep. It's a nice pillow. Hindi naman lahat pangit, pero may mga obvious na mga nagagamit na ng mga sobrang kapangit-pangit na. So the car is running for Tammy lit the car running for 1 hour daw. And I don't know why. Okay, I'll keep this. It's a nice one. Look. That one. Oh, may something else sa table. Mga pang matanda style. You put flower here like that. Keep that. Hi guys. So, the tulips guys, hindi ko pa siya malagay sa labas. Kasi, tinitignan ko yung temperature. Paggabi, mga ilang gabi is siya below freezing. So, hindi ko pa siya matransfer sa labas. So, dito muna siya. So, next year guys, gusto kong mag-plant ng tulips sa harapan ng bahay. Pero yun, ito siya, sa likuran ko ito ilagay. Makapal ito siya, oh. Ilagay ko siya doon sa gilid kasi may garden doon, empty siya, walang bulaklak. So, akala ko pwede na tayo magtanim ng tulips sa labas. So, hindi pala pwede siya hindi siya pwede pag freezing. So, below freezing dito is 32. So, may gabi na 32, 25, 20. Anyway guys, this is my dinner. Look at how diety I am guys. Look at that. Yo, I'm diety and Tommy have a soupy. What's wrong with the diety, honey?
I don't think it's a real word.
I know, but I like it with a T in the end. I'm diety.
No, diety does not have a T in it.
Diety. I put Y in it. Diety. Oh, you need a... Anyway guys, kain tayo. Oh. Kain po tayo guys. This is our dinner. So yun guys, iina namin yung vlog early. Kasi kakain kami. And then, we're gonna make a baby. My husband's face. We're gonna eat and then boom boom.
It's over there.
Yeah. Anyway guys, good night guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. So yun, next week I'm going to... Han, can you say bye-bye?
Hi guys.
Okay, so next week I'm going to try to use the again, the how do you call that? The weighing machine. Yun, timbangan. Oy, sa Bisaya, timbangan. So we're gonna use it again. Kasi, itry na natin ulit na kung magkano ba yung timbang natin. Mahal ng karne. Mahal ng karne. So, anyway guys, thank you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Good night, guys. Good night, everything family. Good night.